Hello, everyone. Welcome in Inside T24 Performance Engineering session number 5. Together with me, I have a special guest, Joël Navarro, who will be talking, who will be giving us a lot of interesting insights regarding his tool, OFS Maker. As always, with me is also Rakesh, who give us also interesting insights regarding what is new in T24. So maybe let's start like that. Maybe Joel, you can introduce yourself and say something to the audience.
Hello, so I'm Joël Navarro. I'm a 24 architect and founder of OFSMaker.com. I work on 24 since 2009. Works on R5 at the beginning, so it's quite long ago. And yeah, and I when I started in my journey on 24, the OFS, I understand the OFS is a main feature, is a big feature on 24. So I
Mhm.
wanted to help the people to build the OFS correctly in the first time, not to redo again and again. So
Mhm.
that's the target.
Okay. The welcome, Joel. I'm very happy that you join us. Rakesh, the audience, I think know you already, but if someone is new, maybe you can say something about yourself.
Hello everyone, I'm Rakesh and from India. I'm associated with Performetrics for a very long time and I'm a T24 technical analyst. So yeah, in this company we do support T24 performance related tuning, observability and monitoring solution through the Dynatrace, and we have our own Fastpack services which we integrated and available in Dynatrace. That we'll talk about in today's session. Yeah, over
Awesome.
to you.
Awesome. Thank you. Thank you so much, Rakesh. And if someone don't know me, my name is Andrew. I'm a performance engineer in Performetrics, and I will be your host for this Inside T24 Performance Engineering webinar. So, guys, maybe I will ask you a first question because I know that you participate and you are participating in Temenos Tech Days. So, what is new in T24? What can you tell to the audience?
Um, I think that the last big feature I saw is of course about AI. So there was the
Mhm.
Copilot that Temenos is currently implementing, and it's could be helpful really for the business to
Mhm.
retrieve information and to generate some report. Yeah, that's the main feature I saw on the tech days these years. And last year I saw also but it's really quite technical, is the Serverlite version of 24.
Mhm.
And that's a really good feature. And for me, Temenos is working in the good way to optimize the platform.
Awesome. Rakesh, do you have something to add?
Yeah, one quick hint. Temenos, they have introduced, I think last year, the T Guru, Temenos Guru.
Mhm.
It's a kind of yeah AI version of T24. They're using Anthropic AI, but it's a quick result. So you can query anything, you will get a quick results from T24. It is applicable for employees, clients, and whoever has access to a Temenos portal. They can use it and get
Okay.
quick results on what they're doing. So that's a new thing which I saw.
So
Yeah.
every release is supported.
Oh, yeah, we can choose which release it is, what product we want to check, and
Mhm.
we can ask the question, and they it will reply accordingly.
Okay. Wow.
Every version and every product also. It's
Yeah,
not
correct.
only Transact,
Okay.
Yes.
it's
Mhm.
FCM, it's
Yeah.
AAA, whatever the product. For each product, each version, you can
Mhm.
ask it and you have
Okay.
the answer. And the link to the documentation, which is quite good because the documentation is easy and sometimes it's the information related to what you are looking is not always in the documentation of the modules. It could be somewhere else and it can find you. And also they put Basecamp, the website with
Mm.
all the question from customer and it is Windows engineer.
hmm
And Tigro is also looking on this database of knowledge and give you the link to the. So if you face an issue that somebody already request, he give you the link to the post on Basecamp, and you can
hmm
find also the solution.
Okay. Wow. That's very, very powerful. That's great. So yes, thank you guys. So Joel, maybe you will tell us something about your product, OFS Maker.
Yeah, so as I mentioned before, it's the main goal of the OFS Maker is to help the junior or even the senior to build OFS in quantity and in
hmm
the good, I mean, the tool should prevent you for every syntax error or if data is missing and so on. So I'm still working on it. I still have some idea. I'm still trying to enhance the product, and I got some feedback sometimes that's good. I saw that somebody contact me recently because there is a bug on the OFS for AA product. So
hmm
I have to correct that before and publish it. But at the beginning, it was just before because I was frustrated when I started with the OFS because the documentation is good, but
hmm
the way and the exception, the way it should work also, it's not so easy to find all the information in one place.
hmm
And with OFS, because you touch every application on, I mean, every modules and every application inside Transact it's
hmm
it permits you to have the landscape, I mean, all the knowledge of Transact. So that's the target. So I built an OFS generator, an OFS corrector to if you already build the files, and also a file converter. If it's flat file, XML, or JSON, you can convert it based on tags, key, or columns of the files to generate the OFS.
hmm
And there was a day also, there was a discussion with some other customer, and
hmm
they request Temenos if there is a tools to generate the help text.
Okay.
And Temenos said, no, we don't have something like that. And in my mind, I said, but with the AI now, it's quite easy to produce, to generate the tools to generate, to modify, generate an help text for every module. So I said, okay, I will try myself to see if I can do something. And
hmm
after 1 year, I'm still not finishing. So
hmm
just, it's a never-ending story. I said, oh, I can add an image. I can, okay, you can bolt it. Oh, but yeah, it just, I try. Every time I try a feature, I said, oh, okay, it's compatible. So let's
hmm
do it and implement in the best way that we can. And so now I'm almost done, but I think I have some enhancement that I want to put. The
hmm
idea is after is just to, and it could help also Temenos itself to how should I say, to improve the quality, I
hmm
mean, the visibility of the help text. Yeah, that's the main tool. And sometimes also I got some idea for some tools like for time travel because
hmm
sometimes there is you have an environment in 1 day and you want to move to end of year. You have to put holidays on Transact,
hmm
so you have to know which days and how many days and to put that. So I create a small tools to you give it the starting and the end point and then it
hmm
calculates all the date. Yeah.
Is that tool because you said that you are still working on it? So when someone want to try it out, do you release the versions right now, or the
No,
people need to
it's a
wait?
website. It's a website.
It's a
Everybody can
cloud-based.
it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's pretty free, and if everyone can use it and contribute, there is also an about and contact section where you
Okay.
can just there is a formula you can
hmm
write it and it send me a mail with all the if you have any idea or if you think something is wrong, we can discuss.
Okay.
Sometimes, yes, sometimes also somebody contact me because they needed help on the way they are implementing Transact. So I give my advice. It's free, no problem.
hmm
But After you are judging if it's good or not, you can try it. But I'm always happy to help. So because Transact is a small word and it's
Yeah.
not it's complicated in some way. So yeah, it's if I can be helpful, no problem.
Hmm. Can you share the link to the website in the chat so maybe the people can, or maybe
Sure,
after the webinar? And do you want to show us this website and
I can do it if
some,
you want.
yeah, some maybe little showcase of it
Yeah.
so we can see that.
Do you see my screen?
Yes, yes, we can see a screen.
So this is the home page where I explain what is OFS, why use it, and how is it working.
Hmm.
So there is the transaction generator where you fill there is the syntax here if you want to understand. But the way is that just if you want to try it. So it proposes you the tables if you know it,
Hmm.
but you can write it for version. The function, because you can input authorize, reverse history, and verify the number of authorization. Yeah, the GTS control, and had here, I just help the value, what is it doing. If you want to, so of course, the username, the password, the company, if you are multi-company, if you want to replace the value or just erase, and the wrapping. Here you can put a number of transaction ID you want. And so at this step, you have the free text. If you already know the syntax, if you prefer the field data,
Hmm.
and if you want to test, you can also you cannot how should I say? If it will write for you the contents based on the random character.
Hmm.
But if I put here, let's say field one test, okay, and A, and then push the button, and you are here. The
Okay.
OFS message, and the key is the one you retrieve it. You just semicolon separator because sometimes. And if you want, if it's an empty ID, just check this checkbox and the
Hmm.
number of line you want, and then it will update. Yeah, without with empty ID, and
Hmm.
it's just yeah. So this one there is the OFS corrector, which is the um, you just upload. Sorry, let's say that you have a free text here. So it's just a list of OFS that you put. If you
Mm.
click on the button to check the OFS, it explain you what is the issue, the fact
Okay.
which field is wrong. And if you want, let's say that this one is good, but you want to just to take in consideration, it will map on the transaction everything. Okay, it's easy here, but everything you see the number of authorizer, the process, everything is mapped, and you
Yeah.
can just retrieve. That's one tool. For the flat, I will just present the flat file converter. But so here you just have to precise,
Hmm.
let's say the application, and it's help you to generate the root of the OFS. And then if you want, you can upload a file, um, a CSV file for this one. So you see there is the ID, the name, the
Mm.
first name.
Info, yeah.
Uh, if you check if you precise that there is a header, it will consider the first row as the header, and it will map here all sorry, it will map here all the columns, and then you can
Mm.
define that this one is the ID, and so the field here is the name, but let's say that's it's not correct, it's forename, and yeah, and the age also everything. And I added recently the rule engine which allow you to replace some value. Let's say that you don't want the age 29, you want 50.
Hmm.
and then you process the conversion, and it will
Okay.
take every line of the file. It will consider that's the ID, and you put the forename instead of the name here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's the field with the value of all the columns, and for the 29, it replaced by 50. So yeah, this one, which was 29,
Mm-hmm.
it replaced by 50. So yeah, or
Fantastic.
yeah, you can download the result or copy the clipboard. It's the same for the XML and the JSON.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe the interface is always the same, so no, it's same behavior. Um, I recently added the inquiry creator. So the idea is that because in 24 for the inquiry, you have to do in the inquiry designer, which is if you know very well that could be
Mm-hmm.
fast, but if you are junior, it's not so easy to understand what are the options. For
Yeah.
now, it's the second version of the tools, but there is still some feature that I need to add. So
Yeah.
let's say it's the account list. So you don't have it's that's just for the OFS itself. Here you are working on the account table. So again, he proposes you if you know the table if the name is in his list of tables, he will propose you, but and he upload already all the field for these tables. So let's say that for your inquiry you want the account number and the customer number. So now it's just a drag and drop, and
Okay.
you want the target and the sector. So you have all the columns here presented, and you said, "I know I want customer first." So now you can just replace by drag and drops again, or if you prefer, if you want to be more precise, you have the arrow which is working also.
Mm-hmm.
Once that is done, you create the OFS and it generates the OFS for the inquiry itself. So you can after that the result should be similar to what you are seeing. I know there is a lot of things to do, like the breaker, the header, the footer of the inquiry, the breaker, and maybe also the selection of the criteria to restrain. So this is something that I'm thinking, but now the way and the hard work is to find an easy way to present and to make the people to understand the tool, what is the tool doing. And the last one, which is for me the big one, is the help text generator, where you can so you can upload an XML help text file,
Mm-hmm.
and you precise the type, the product. Let's say that's the table is well, this is not. It's a generic. So yeah, and then so you have the overview of the tables. You can overview of tables and field one. So you just have to precise the name here also.
Mm-hmm.
It's just for the test. So first feature I added it was to sort automatically all the field by alphabetic order because the way it was in Transact sometimes there
Mm-hmm.
is the field one, but so that could be better. I mean it's
Yeah.
fast to understand. If you want to add more field, of course you can do it. Field two. And now you can also edit in the way that's it could be italic,
Mm-hmm.
sorry, on the stroke. So this is like a text editor. Nothing is new. You can also highlight if you want. You can change I think I forget. You can change the color of the letters.
Mm-hmm.
You can add also right, left, and center, bullet point, order list. You can add also a link if you want to go to that could be the documentation from Temenos or your internal documentation,
Mm-hmm.
and of course tables. And these two fields is dedicated to 24. It's to because let's say that I want to, how should I say? I want to highlight the fact that in the help text, this is related to a field inside the table.
Okay.
So I can just for all table and all field, it's apply all the same format.
I understand.
Yeah,
Okay, fantastic, fantastic tool, Joel, because it can
yeah,
save a lot of time when we are talking about the data creation for the T24 engineers.
yeah.
It's like, please, everyone, go to the chat, grab a link. We'll share the link after the webinar. When we
Yeah.
sending a recording as well, we'll be sharing the link to the tool. So yeah, that's very nice, Joel. Great job.
Thank you.
That's fantastic. Thank you so much for the quick demo of your product. So, Rakesh, what do you have for us today?
Okay, let me share my screen. We have this T24 Fastpack services. So can you see my screen now?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, this uh, uh, many are asking that what is this Fastpack service again and again, or LinkedIn chat or through messages or mails. So let me explain it clearly in this rather than what it does and everything. So in case if you have a Dynatrace APM monitoring tool, already installed, then you can go and search in their support or add-on where you can see T24 Fastpack service. It is available as an add-on developed by Performetrics, and you can contact us if you need complete installation. Even we also support Dynatrace and to T24 integration.
Mm-hmm.
But the prerequisite is you need to have Dynatrace. Yeah, few people are asking like we don't want Dynatrace, we just want Fastpack service. I like that question. So I just want to clarify, if you have Dynatrace, this is an add-on. In case if you don't have a Dynatrace, yeah, we are here to help you out to integrate Dynatrace. Usually the Dynatrace product team, before they were not supporting the TFC older releases or Globus releases like
Yeah.
R12, R and all. But we made it through our Fastpack and also the log level and other integrations. We make sure that it also supports almost 90% of what we have for latest releases for all the
Mm-hmm.
older TFC releases.
You,
So we
yeah.
have the breakthrough from R12 to R25, R26 also it will support. So even if you have R10, R7, anything, we can make it work.
Oh, yeah.
The dynamic integration part. And
Yeah.
then, so how you can um, get this first pack services is simple. Just you need to sign a contract with the Performetrics. If you don't have Dynatrace, or even if you have Dynatrace, you can contact us. Then
Yeah.
for signing this contract or agreements, we install this first pack services in your environment, and you can use it. So
Yeah.
we support end-to-end
Yeah.
integration for this.
Here I will add only that everyone who is using Dynatrace or you are thinking about that based, observability tool for your organization, for your bank, Dynatrace is awesome. But when we are talking about the T24 observability, is not out of the box. You need to configure a lot of stuff. You need to have good knowledge regarding how to catch additional stuff in Dynatrace regarding to T24, and basically this is the why the Fastpack was created, because Fastpack was created because I would say we broke the ice, so we know how to catch all of the relevant details. We need the T24 Fastpack is presenting them in the nice dashboards, and yeah, that was the purpose. I want to only to add the purpose of the Fastpack. So basically, Rakesh, sorry that I interrupt you, so you
Yes,
can
yes.
continue.
Uh, so what additionally we support apart from if you have Dynatrace integrated, you can see the CPU, DB related things, services, requests, and all those things. But out of the box, yeah, you won't have all these things. But we will uh, make these configurations. For example, API level, MQ, browser, web, T24 database level. All this is user T24 version inquiries and other integrations, ATM, pass, FCM, all those things, including the OFS thing and COB. So we make sure you monitor everything out of it, out of the
Hmm.
T24 Fastpack services. We will make sure you can monitor all these things. Here is just an example. For example, for the close of business, what we are doing is just a screenshots from one of the environment. So you can check at what time the COP has been started last day and over a period of time, and how long it took last day or over a period of time, and what are the services running, and which day this particular service has started in between, if they have started or if they forgot to stop that service, and what these services are doing, OFS, online and offline queue related details, and each stage application system wide, all those stage level details, and in which stage, how long it took, all the COB related, and currently running jobs, what's the batch name, job name, last contact, last message, TSA status related details. And in case if you are uh, job is running more than 10 minutes or 30 minutes, if you want custom alerting, that we have an option to do. And job inside the job, what is happening, even this como files, we get it into the Dynatrace and you can view there
Hmm.
what is happening inside the como files. And we also support many other things like agent stack or integration services, ATM pass, what is happening, that FCM, what is happening. So all those things. So this is just a overview of screenshots, but like I said in the previous screen, we support all these COP services, inquiry, version, whatever you need in Fastback services. And there are some prerequisites you need to have in order to install, like you need to have Dynatrace SaaS or managed, and you need some of the conditions that needs to be met, but still almost all the banks use these conditions. Pretty much integrating and making these things work will usually take within a month. So if you sign a contract, within a month you will have everything ready,
Yeah.
mostly. But before, for some of the TAFC releases, we took a lot of time because we set it up everything. But now within a month everything will be ready, and it's a procedure, and we have the ports which we want from your side to open. Mostly this 443 for active gate integration and 9999, these ports will use them. And there are some of the customers like Fina Bank and East West Bank, they adopted this first bank services, and after that including our monitoring and tuning services, they are happy to give us this feedback that they has decreased 85% of their MTTR and
Yeah.
resolved all those things. And,
That's nice
so
score.
we have a lot of reviews from other clients. So if you need anything from us, you can contact us on this Fastback services. I think let me keep it quick, and that's it
Yeah,
from my side.
sure. Awesome. So, the easiest way for you, if you want to see what we have in a fast pack, or you want to try it, you need to contact us, and you'll be able to see. We'll walk through what you have, what you are struggle with observability of the T24 and how we can help with the fast pack implementation. So, guys, thank you very much. I very like your presentations. We have 1 minute to go. Okay, then I will ask two questions from the audience. I have one for Joel. Please describe how we use OFS Maker for testing of T24 application.
Um, okay, I just preview. Um, just 2 seconds. Yeah. So the idea is that here on the transaction, on the OFS generator, transaction generator, you just put the application, all the information you want, and you choose the testing mode, where you can define one field, for example, here amount, You cannot fill the field contents. It will be automatically filled. And you choose the number of character you want, and if it's numeric, alphanumeric, or only alphabetic. And when you generate the OFS, then it will generate the amount on
Hmm.
3 character because you process three. So the idea of the testing is in this way. You can generate
Hmm.
a random data as you want. I hope it's
Fantastic.
clarified.
Yeah, I hope that it answer your question. We have a second very general question. What is Dynatrace? So I can take it up. Uh, you know, uh, Dynatrace is a modern observability platform for not only we are focusing mostly of banking applications, but Dynatrace is also very often used for e-commerce application for everyone who struggle with big systems and he want to have one silos giving giving all of the teams of the organization the correct answers whatever is going on in the environment. So this is how I would describe the Dynatrace. Dynatrace is a leader in the observability world right now. The second competitor of the Dynatrace, the Datadog, is also very close. So yes, please Google Dynatrace, Datadog, and if you want to learn more regarding the observability platform. So yes, guys, thank you very much. We are a little bit up of the time, 1 minute only, so that's still good. So Joel, thank you so much for
Thank
giving
you.
us information regarding OFS Maker. And in the chat, everyone has URL to OFS Maker. This is cloud-based, so you can go over there and try it out by your own. And after the webinar, we'll be sending the links to the tool as well. So please go over there, try it out because it can save you ton of time when you are generating the OFS data. And Rakesh, thank you so much for giving us hints regarding what it is, the Fastpack, what it is, what it's doing, and how we can support organizations. So, okay, maybe I can see. Oh yes, we'll share the link to the OFS Maker because maybe it is not in the chat. So Joel, okay, I have it here. Okay, thank you so much,
Thank you.
Rakesh, for sharing it. And yes, after the webinar, you will have it in the we will send you the email with the recording, so we'll include the link to the tool as well. So once again, thank you very much, guys, and it was
Thank you
a
for
pleasure to
hosting.
have you here.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye.
Special thanks to
Thank
Joel.
you.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.